Imagine driving down the road and suddenly your engine just dies. Yep, that's what happens when your fuel pump fails. But don't panic. In this video, we're breaking down how to spot a failing fuel pump before it leaves you stranded. Your fuel pump is responsible for sending fuel from the tank to your engine. If it fails, your engine doesn't get the fuel it needs to run smoothly. Think of it as the heart of your car's fuel system. When it goes, your car stops. Simple as that. Now, how do you know if your fuel pump is on its last legs? First, you'll notice hesitation during acceleration. You press the gas, but your car feels like it's running out of breath. Next, your engine might stall, especially when idling. And if you see your fuel pressure gauge dropping, that's a huge red flag. Fuel pumps don't fail for no reason. They're often caused by dirt or debris in the fuel tank, a clogged fuel filter, or overheating due to lack of fuel flow. And let's not forget about those poor electrical connections that can leave your fuel pump powerless. Preventing fuel pump failure is simple. Change your fuel filter regularly, keep your tank at least a quarter full, and avoid running on empty. Think of it as a workout for your pump. Keep it clean and it'll stay strong. Oh, don't let a faulty fuel pump stop you in your tracks. If you notice any of these symptoms, get your car checked out before you end up stranded on the side of the road. Stay ahead of the game and keep your ride smooth. Like what you learned? Hit that subscribe button for more car tips. Stay safe on the road, folks.